Hi everyone and welcome to Everyday Mountain Bike. Today is a special day. I got some free tires from WTB. They were kind enough to send me some. I'm going to try these out and do a little review on them. So I'm going to install them today. I got the Vigilante 2.5 up front and the Trail Boss 2.4 in the back. So let's get them mounted up and see how it goes. So up at Spring Mountain they have this backside downhill area. See, maybe not. The ski lifts are still working with a little bit of snow, but it's a really nice day out and warm enough to come in short sleeves and ride down the hill. This backside downhill has a ton of area to explore. I'm just kind of scratching the surface here and trying to get some more runs on the same spot so I could test these tires a little bit. All right, finally got the WTB tires mounted up and we're going to take our first run at about 25 psi and see how it runs. All right, WTB tires definitely cornering better. I can feel the grip a little bit more. I don't know if that's because my old Maxxis tires were a little bit worn or if these just are actually doing a better job. So we're gonna take a couple more runs and see how it goes. All right, run number 4. I'm gonna try the same run I did last time, but maybe trying to do a couple more things, do it a little bit better. So let's get to it. pretty steep right here. Definitely took that way better this time around. Stay the high line, it's a lot straighter. All right, downhill test number 5. Doing the same sort of thing. Testing tires. Vigilante up front, Trail Boss in the back. Kept the same tire pressure every time, just to get consistency and see where it goes. I could definitely notice when not holding the brakes that it really grips up more in the corners and on the steep. So let's get going and see what kind of progress we can make testing these out.